Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to change the currency on Alibaba in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing guys is, if you live in USA, in Australia, or any country in this world and you wanted to change the currency on Alibaba on your country currency. Okay, so what you're gonna do guys is you just have to follow the steps that I'll be showing you today. Okay, so the first thing we need to guys is we need to go to Alibaba website, of course, and we need to log in our account. And after logging in your account, guys, just have to go to the um at the top or the top right corner on the Alibaba homepage. So you can see here the delivery to English and etc. So you just have to click this one guys, English to PH. Okay, so it says that set language and currency. So select your preferred language and also the currency. So you can update the settings at any time. So for language, so let's stay on English and also the currency guys. You can click this the arrow down to see the its drop down. Okay, so you can see here a lot of options or currency, so you can just have to as you can see here guys, my current currency is peso, so let's try to change it into US dollar. Okay, you just have to click save button. Okay, the Alibaba homepage will just have it will reload automatically, and that's it guys. So as you can see guys, the currency guys of this watch just change. So that's it. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Alibaba. Thank you.